How to turn off sounds on Facebook app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First we will launch Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Look for a setting in privacy and tap to open it. Choose settings option. Now scroll down. Look for media and tap to open it. And here you'll need to choose the option of videos starts with sound and then make sure that you turn off the button. If you see the blue button, you need to tap on the button and make it to gray. This will turn off sounds on Facebook applications on Android devices. So this method works both on your Android or iPhone, so you can follow the steps. I hope this guide worked, and if you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.